Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 10, Exponents and Powers, exercise 10.1, question number 3. The question is, find the value of given problems. So when we consider the first question, we have 3 power 0 plus 4 power minus 1 into 2 power 2. So we need to find out the final value for this problem. So generally, any value power 0, it is equal to 1. So using that, here it is 3 power 0. 3 power 0 means it is just 1. Then plus 4 power minus 1. Generally we have, whenever we have power as minus, we need to convert that power into positive power. So whenever we have the term like this, a power minus m, we can write that as 1 by a power m. That is, this minus m, when it goes to the denominator, it becomes plus m. There won't be any change in the base. So here this 4 power minus 1, when we take that term to the denominator as 1 by 4, minus 1 will become now plus 1. And then the overall bracket we have, and then this term is multiplied by 2 square. Then here it is 1 plus 1 by 4 power 1. 4 is repeated only one time. So we can just write it as 4. And then into 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. So either you can evaluate like this, or this 4 you can write as 2 square also, you can simplify. So anyway, we need to find out the final answer. So here the LCM is what? 4. Denominator we have LCM as 4. Why? Because here there is no denominator at all. So LCM for the denominator, it is 4. Just cross multiply this value. 1 into 4, it is 4, and then plus 1. And then the whole value is multiplied by 4. So now we have 4 plus 1. What is 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1, it is nothing but 5. 5 by 4 into 4. So this 4 get cancelled, so that we have the final value as 5. So coming to the second problem. Second problem, it is 2 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1, and then this overall term, it is divided by 2 power minus 2. So how we can write this term? 2 power minus 1 into 4 power minus 1. The overall term is divided by 2 power minus 2. Like this we can rewrite the term. So first let me simplify the term. So here when we observe the term, right, here each and every term is having the power as negative. So negative power, we need to convert it into positive power. So whenever we have the term in the numerator, when it goes to the denominator, it will be converted to positive power. Similarly, denominator term, when it goes to the numerator, the minus 2 will become positive power, right? So how we can write this term? Whatever we have in the numerator, just bring to the denominator. So 1 by 2 power minus 1 will become now plus 1 into 4 power minus 1 means 4 power 1. Similarly, the denominator term 2 power minus 2, when goes to the numerator, it becomes 2 power plus 2. So into 2 power plus 2. Like this we can rewrite the given terms, right? So in general we know the formula. What is the formula? A power minus m means 1 by a power m. So using this rule, whatever we have in the numerator with the negative power, when it goes to the denominator, the powers and all will become positive. Similarly, here the negative power is minus 2. When it goes to the numerator, it becomes plus 2. So 1 by 2 power 1, it is 2. 4 power 1, it is 4 into 2 square. So either 2 square, you can write it as 2 into 2 and you can cancel out. Or what you can do, 1 by 2 into, what is 4? 4 is nothing but 2 square. Like this also you can rewrite the expression. So 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. 2 into 2 means 2 square. So like this also we can write. So whichever you can cancel, 2 square in the denominator, 2 square in the numerator get cancelled. So final answer, it is 1 by 2. For the second subdivision, the answer is 1 by 2. So coming to the third subdivision, 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 the whole power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole power minus 2. So we have the rule, law of exponents, such that a by b the whole power m. So here the power m is common for both the numerator and denominator. So how we can split the term? A power m divided by b power m. So here the power minus 2 is applicable for all the terms, right, within the bracket. So I can write it as 1 power minus 2 divided by 2 power minus 2, because here a value is 1, b value it is 2. Power is common for both the terms. So for 1 also the power is minus 2, for 2 also the power is minus 2. Similarly, the same rule applicable for second term and third term also. So how we can write? 1 power minus 2 divided by 3 power minus 2 plus 1 power minus 2 divided by 4 power minus 2. So once we have done, in all the terms, both in the numerator and denominator, the power is minus. So we need to convert the negative power to positive power. So again the same rule, a power minus m, we can write it as 1 by a power plus m. A power plus m. So using that rule, whatever you have in the numerator, just bring that to the denominator so that the negative power will become positive power. So 1 by 1 power 2 into this 2 power minus 2, when go to the numerator it becomes 2 power 2 plus 1 power minus 2, when it goes to the denominator it becomes 1 square. 3 power minus 2, when goes to the numerator it becomes 3 square plus 1 power minus 2, again we need to take that term to the denominator, so it will become 1 square into 4 power minus 2, when it goes to the numerator it becomes 4 square. So what is 1 square? So 1 square, it is nothing but 1 into 1, which is 1. So in all the terms we have 1 by 1 into, what is 2 square? 2 is repeated 2 times, 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. What is 3 square? 3 square is 3 is repeated 2 times, 3 into 3, which is 9. 4 square means 4 into 4. 4 is repeated 2 times. So 4 4s are 16. So here it is 4 plus 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9 plus 1 by 1 into 16. So 1 by 1 it is 1, 1 into 4 it is 4. So similarly 1 by 1 it is 1 into 9, 1 into 9 it is just 9. 1 by 1 it is 1, 1 into 16 it is 16. So 16 plus 4 it is 20, 20 plus 9 it is 29. So final answer for the third subdivision, it is 29. So coming to the fourth subdivision, it is 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 plus 5 power minus 1. The whole power 0. So as discussed with the first problem, any value power 0, it is equal to 1. So in simple, without solving anything, you can just write the value as 1. So that is the answer for the fourth subdivision. Then coming to the fifth subdivision, minus 2 by 3, the whole power minus 2 and then the whole power 2. So generally, whenever we have two powers, right, like a power m, the whole power n. So these powers we can multiply, that is we can just write a power m into n. So using that rule, here the base is what? Minus 2 by 3. Instead of a, I have minus 2 by 3. So just write that term as it is. This is m, this is n. So minus 2 into 2, just multiply both the values. So we can write this term as minus 2 divided by 3, the whole power. Minus is there as it is, minus into plus, that is here 2 is 2 symbol, it is plus. So minus into plus, it is minus, 2 2s are 4. So here the base is minus 2 by 3 and power is minus 4. So negative power is there. So what will you do? Just convert the power into positive power. So bring this term to the denominator. So we can rewrite this term as 1 by minus 2 by 3 the whole power 4. Why? Because we have the rule a power minus m means 1 by a power m. So whatever you have in the numerator, just bring that term to the denominator so that minus 4 will become plus 4. So once you have done that, just simplify this. So using the rule of law of exponents, we have a by b the whole power m. So we can split the term into two terms, that is we can use or apply the power m for both the terms. So m is common for numerator term also, denominator term also, which is nothing but a power m divided by b power m. So using that, how we can write this term? 1 by minus 2 the whole power 4 divided by 3 power 4. Like this we can write. Why? Because we have 4 as the power which is common for both the terms. So whenever we have term like this, right, we can take the reciprocal of this term. So when you take reciprocal, what happen? This term will go to the numerator, this term will be there in the denominator. So I can write this term as 1 into 3 power 4 divided by minus 2 the whole power 4. So once you have done that, 1 into any value is that particular value. So 3 power 4 into 1 is nothing but 3 power 4 divided by minus 2 the whole power 4. So minus 2 I can write it as minus 1 into 2 the whole power 4, because we have negative term here. So 3 power 4 means 3 is repeated for 4 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So denominator we have minus 1 into 2 the whole power 4. So minus 1 into 2 the whole power 4, we can split this term into two terms. One is minus 1 the whole power 4 into 2 power 4, because we are applying the rule a into b the whole power m, which is nothing but a power m into b power m. So using that I can write like this. Generally minus 1 the whole power 4, whenever we have even power, this will become positive. For example, minus 1 the whole power 2. What will you do? Minus 1 into minus 1, it will be positive. Similarly, minus 1 the whole power 4 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 4 times minus 1 will be multiplied. So whenever we have even power, this term always will become plus 1. Whenever we have odd power, this term will always become minus. So by default, you should know that minus 1 the whole power 4, it is even power. This value is even number. So always it will yield plus 1. Okay, that you have to remember, into 2 power 4. So once you have done that, so this term how I can write? Minus 1 into 2 the whole power 4, it is nothing but plus 1 into 2 power 4. It is plus 1 into 2 power 4. So anyway, 1 into 2 power 4 is 2 power 4. So denominator we have just 2 power 4. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 2 power 4 means 2 is repeated 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is 3? 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3. 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 it is 8. So numerator it is 81, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, denominator it is 16. So 81 by 16 is the final answer for the fourth subdivision. So coming to the fifth problem. So 81 by 16 is the final answer for the fifth subdivision. Thank you. Thanks for watching.